I just got here a little early, put the finishing touches.
You were meant to send it on Friday.
Did you share the presentation yet?
I am about to share it.
Wow, it's not.
Blizzard warning in effect from 7 a.m. Tuesday to noon Central Standard Time Tuesday. The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 7 a.m. Tuesday to noon Central Standard Time Tuesday. Locations: all of Iowa and southern Minnesota. This includes the city of Sioux City. Hazard types: snow and blowing, snow. Winds: north 18 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 47 miles per hour, temperatures in the lower 20s. Visibilities: 1/4 mile or less. Impacts: blowing and drifting snow will produce dangerous travel conditions. Wind chills from 5 degrees below 0 to 5 degrees above 0 will produce extreme cold impacts. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibility are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making traveling extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Iowa Department of Homeland Security and Emergency Management. A concerning situation is unfolding in Iowa regarding the ongoing blizzard. Authorities have received reports indicating that several individuals have vanished after stepping outside into the severe weather conditions. As a result, local police are currently investigating this phenomenon. For your safety, it is advised to do the following. Secure all windows and doors immediately. Find a warm and sheltered space indoors. Remain aware of your surroundings, and avoid going outside unless it is necessary. If you are caught outside, find the nearest safe shelter, such as a building or vehicle. Close off rooms to trap heat and use blankets and warm clothing to stay warm. Have an emergency kit that includes items like a first aid kit or a flashlight. Stay tuned for further updates on this situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Iowa Department of Homeland Security and Emergency Management. The blizzard that has led to the disappearance of thousands of people is still ongoing. Authorities have discovered that the winds from the blizzard are powerful enough to pull people from their homes and damage buildings. This is also an extremely rare phenomenon. If you are indoors, it is crucial to avoid going outside at all costs. Be prepared for potential power outages, as the blizzard may disrupt power lines. Have flashlights, batteries, and a backup heat source readily available. Ensure that all doors are closed and windows are covered to retain heat effectively. If you find yourself outside, seek the nearest shelter immediately. Stay away from roadways and train tracks, as strong winds can blow objects or individuals into the path of vehicles. Do not attempt to travel, and refrain from leaving your shelter until the alert has been lifted.